His day starts out like anyone else's. He gets up and heads to his place of work. But Crongy Breedlove doesn't actually get paid for teaching what he knows to students at Sunset Elementary School. For the past 7 years, Crongy has volunteered his time to others by helping them to read in English.
I work with the kids that don't speak English very well. They speak mostly Spanish, and I speak Spanish, so I can relate with them. And I just help them to learn English.
Crongy broke his neck after falling off a house while doing construction in 1975. Since that time, he's been confined to a wheelchair and has limited mobility. But that hasn't stopped him from doing good for others.
That has fallen the earth from space.
It's hard for me to have a regular job, so I decided that volunteering would be a good thing, and it's just worked out really well. Over the years, I've just enjoyed doing it. I love the kids. What is a fossil?
Soil and mud subject to cover their bodies.
I love what I do here. I hope I've helped a lot of kids. Pretty sure I have, and they're great kids. They deserve to be helped, and I enjoy doing it.
Crongy was recognized during a school assembly for those efforts. He was nominated for the prestigious Huntsman Award for excellence in education. He was honored for his dedication in making a difference in children's lives.
You know, this year we have found our #1 volunteer in the state of Utah right here in a Sunset School.
We've had a couple students that just came to us last year, at the end of last year, that spoke no English. And from that time to now, they are very fluent. Their reading levels are soaring, and I attribute a big part of that to Crongy and him helping them overcome some of those challenges of a language.
As for Crongy, it was a surprise to be recognized by the entire school. Crongy left us with a quick message to his students in Spanish.
Ojalá que hacen muy bien en sus vidas y hacen las cosas que quieren. Les amo a ustedes mucho.
And what did you say?
I said, I hope that you can accomplish the things that you want to in life, and I love you all.
In St. George, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.